Hey guys, how you doing? This is Becky from becscloset. Today I am going to show you a haul. This haul is going to be my third haul now video. Remember to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on my month-long journey of every day. I'm going to record something that is pertaining to reselling. Okay, so let's get down to it. As you see, I have a shirt on here today. And I don't know if you can see the bottom or not. It says all day slaying it. Every day. I don't know if you can see that right there. Thought it was really cute. Okay, so the first up that we have, I guess I should come up a little closer so you guys can see this. Okay, the first thing that I bought, I thought it was really cute. It has the puffy sleeves. It's actually a wrap. It is polka dot. I really liked it. I like polka dots, so. This is a size medium, and it is a, I don't know if it will come, Worthington there. Just to give you an idea. So some things I do find they will fit. And some things I find will not fit. But this is cute. I would so keep it for myself. I'm like using the camera as my mirror here. So this is to give you an idea. It looks great with these nice blue tie-dye pants, don't you think? Next up that I have, this is a Tommy Bahama. This is a woman's. It is shorter. Let's say this is like right at waist length, well, a little bit below, right at the top of your hip bones there. It's hot. I'm down here in Florida, and today it was like in the low 80s, so it's pretty hot. It has shell buttons, comes with 2 extra buttons there. This is machine washable with light colors. For best results, it does say to dry clean. This is not, it is not cotton. Feels like a rayon. Next up, I did like this. This was my first pick of the day. This is a Gretchen Scott. It is black and white. It is a size medium. Now the sleeves, they are quarter sleeves, so you can turn them up. These, I loved these. These are American Eagle Outfitters. These are in cream color, so they're not white. I picked them up because they are embroidered, as you see here. I'm like, where is it? The lighting is so much better downstairs. Wonder if I could maybe come closer. Where is that coming from? Let me see if this will work if I bring you guys closer. Nope. Shadow's still there. Okay. So it's American Eagle, and it is American Eagle stretch. American Eagle stretch. There's the American Eagle there. And this is American Eagle stretch skinny, size 6. So I will have these on like soon, very soon. Because if I don't, I'll have paws and clothes around. This one here is this one looks, it's a purple, like the purple blue royal color. See, it's velvet, has velvet sleeves. The body is like a jersey. It is not insulated. It is light, very light. See that? You can see my fingers are there, my hand, so it's light. This is a Peyton Jensen. This is a large. Just in case you want to know, this is a large. And that was it on that haul that I had. It was a very small haul. I have started to now get a little picky with the hauls and try to find good things. This shirt that I currently do have on will also be listed because it's way too distressed for me. It's making me stressed. It is too distressed. It has, as you see the holes, you can see it here where it shows on my pants that I have on today. My around the house pants or MTV pants, you know, way back in the day. So it's like it's cut out all the way down here, and pretty much the back is cut out too. That big, it's too much for me. So I hope you guys loved this video, that you had joined me in my haul. Be sure to tune in again for my next haul, and my next anything related to reselling I will have to bring to you. Subscribe to my channel, hit that like button. If you have any comments, I will get back to you as soon as I can. Just reply down below. Thank you guys. Have a great day. Remember to stop by Beck's Closet on Poshmark. Bye.